and download Recuva. It's free and it lets you easily recover your deleted files. When you're downloading it, of course, make sure you choose the free version. The free version will get the job done. Step number 2. Once it is done downloading, go ahead and open that file and then start installing Recuva, which only requires a few clicks and you are all set. Alright, step number 3. Start recovering your files. So right away, it's going to ask you which type of files you want to recover, whether they are videos, pictures, documents, and so on. If you're not sure or you have many different types of files, go ahead and choose all files. And now it's going to ask you, where were those deleted files? If you're not sure, that's okay. You can choose to search your entire computer. So go ahead and click next. And now this option is pretty useful. You can choose to do a deep scan, but it takes longer, so it's not really necessary. Alright, so now start scanning. And as you can see here in my case, it found a bunch of files. Wow. So now, if a file is labeled as green, that means there's a good chance of you getting it back. Great, so now simply right click that file and then you can choose to recover it. And also you can choose the location to put the recovered file. Now, besides Recuva, there are many free programs that allow you to recover your files for free. For example, Windows itself has one. I have all of these in the video description, of course, including Recuva. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.